Well, it is very easy to guess what is coming at the next Unpacked event, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Z Flip 5. Now, we've already heard that the Galaxy Z Flip 5 will have the insanely big 3.4-inch diagonal cover screen. And that is the most exciting part of the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Now, we don't have CAD renders leaked by OnLeaks or anyone else like that. But what we have is concept. There are quite a lot of one, and I have imagined one too, but here's the thing, this one actually looks amazing. But before everything else, let me tell you about the Z Flip 5 color options that are coming. According to Ross Young, the Z Flip 5 will come with a beige, gray, light green, and light pink color options, whereas the Z Fold 5 will come with beige, black, and light blue color options. Now, as for the names though, you know Samsung names are like, something crazy, but we will see. But this doesn't mean that there is not going to be any more color options. Now, past few Flip models already had bespoke color options. So that's the same kind of thing you can also expect with the Z Flip 5 because it's the most trendy option in the Samsung's lineup of smartphones. So definitely it will come with the customization options or even more color options at Samsung.com. Now let's talk about the most exciting thing of the Galaxy Z Flip 5, the cover screen. Now we've already seen quite a lot of concepts regarding the Galaxy Z Flip 5's cover screen, because we still don't have a properly leaked CAD renders or anything like that. So we at this time kind of speculating. So one of the concepts is that if the whole cover screen includes the camera cutouts, that will be the most exciting one and that will be the most futuristic one. And I was hoping for that because the Motorola Razr might even do that. But what you can expect from Samsung practically at this time is something a little different. Now, we have already seen this concept and that shows two screens, and I already said that that is not going to be a reality because two screens are not practical at all. Now, the same YouTuber also created these renders, but now that Sam Mobile's independent sources have apparently confirmed that the newer concept is nearly spot on, pretty spot on. But do keep in mind, this is still early and no other prominent leakers have revealed anything of this kind. So I will still take it with a pinch of salt, and iCineverse actually mentioned that the screen will be a 3.4-inch screen and it will be 1:1 aspect ratio. And whether there would be a cutout like that or not, that's at this point is still unknown. I don't have any wrong thing to say about it because this is still a much more usable display than any Flip cover screen we have seen so far. The 1-inch screen, I know some people might like it, it's just good for widgets and nothing else. Now, as for the other things, we have heard that it will still come with the same 12-megapixel resolution cameras, but the sensors will be updated and they will be slightly more larger and the pixel size is going to be slightly more bigger for better low-light photography, but not something like 200-megapixel sensor or even a 50-megapixel sensor. No. But that's not where you will see improvements. You will also see improvements in the hinge design. The hinge will actually be the same kind of hinge that Oppo is using inside their Oppo Find N2 Flip or even Motorola's first Razr phone. That will actually fold the main foldable display in a way that it will create a water drop shape inside the hinge. And that simply means it will not have that much visible crease or that deep crease. And when closed, the phone will not have any more gap in between the two halves of the phone. That's actually insanely good. But that's not where it ends though. According to another leaker, Samsung will also improve it in a way that it will have some kind of dust resistance, but it will not have an IP rating for that. But this hinge will also change the internal structure of the phone. So there is slightly more possibility that we will see a slightly more bigger battery. But even if we don't get a bigger battery, we're surely gonna get a better battery life because of one big thing, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy that will power the whole foldable lineup this year from Samsung. And we've already seen the benchmarking results. You can check out that video, and that clearly shows there is a bigger improvement coming. That could be probably because of new cooling system or something along those lines. Anyway, that seems exciting. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think gonna happen with the cover screen? And yes, if you want, you can get some crazy cool wallpapers up on my website. A link down below. Until the next one, bye and take care.